guys, today we're going to be solving the system of linear equations using the elimination method. As you know, in the previous lesson we did it through using substitution, but today we're using a different method called elimination. So basically, elimination is basically what it's named for, just eliminating the variables. And how are you going to do that? So I already have two equations set up for us, and basically we're going to be adding both of the equations. But you might be thinking, how does adding the two equations going to help solve the systems of linear equations? Well, as you can see here, we have a plus y here and a minus y here, right? If we add those two, what is going to happen? They are going to cancel out, and that means they're going to be left with one variable. So let's try adding it and see what we get. So I'm going to add it. I get 2x plus 3x is 5x. And then these plus y minus y is 0. That cancels out. So 5x equal to 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. X is going to be equal to 2. Okay? So we got our x value. Now you know, same thing as a substitution. We are going to use this value and plug it into another equation. So I'm going to plug into the top equation. So we're going to have 2 times 2 plus y equal to 5. 4 plus y equal to 5. If I subtract both sides by 4, y is going to be equal to 1. So my solution is going to be 2. Let me write that a bit neater. 2, 1. That is going to be our solution. Alright, but sometimes this may not be, sometimes you may not have a plus y and a minus y. Sometimes you're going to have, you might have a plus y and a plus y. I'll show you what I mean in a second, once I clear this. So I'm going to rewrite this actually. So I'm going to have 2x plus y equal to 5. And then I have 3x plus y equal to 5. Now, I can't add them, right? If I add them, I get 2y, so I'm not canceling them out. There's two ways you can do this, and the better way is the first way I'm going to show you right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply either the top or bottom equation by -1. So I'm going to multiply the top one by -1. So I'm going to multiply that by -1. That means we're going to get -2x minus 2y equal to -5. Then I'm going to bring down the bottom equation as it is. 3x plus y equal to 5. Okay? Now I have the opposite of variables, right? Then I can just do as I did before. I can just add it, right? So if I add -2x plus 3x, is going to be x. These cancel out. -5 plus 5 equal to, it's going to be 0. Okay? And then you know what to do after that. But so also, there's another scenario. You might have it as, let's say, 2x plus y equals to 5, and let's say it's 3x plus, let's say, 2y equal to 5. Okay? Now, you can't add them. You can add them, but you're going to get 3y. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this opposite. So I'm just going to multiply this top equation by -2, right? So that means, what do I get? The top equation is going to be -4x minus 2y equal to -10. I'm going to bring down the bottom equation as it is. 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Now, when you're multiplying it by a number, you're going to have to multiply it to every single term. That is very important. You can multiply to 2x, y, and 5. That's why I like to put the parentheses here, so I know I had to multiply it to the entire equation. Just one equation. Doesn't matter which one. I can do the top or bottom, but this time I chose the first one. So now let's bring our attention to this newly system of equations. Now, as you can see here, I have a -2y and a plus 2y, right? Well, now I can easily cancel them out by adding both equations. So -4x plus 3x is going to be -x this is negative 2y plus 2y is going to cancel out. So negative x is going to be equal to negative 10 plus 5. It's going to be negative 5. If I divide both sides by negative 1, x is going to be equal to 5. So there you go. That is how to solve using the elimination method. And I'll see you in the next lesson.